Hey guys, it's Katie here. I want to let you know that something big is coming very soon. If you've ever wanted to touch your toes or sit cross-legged on the floor with comfort, or work at a desk all day without tight hips and sore shoulders, you could benefit from my at-home yoga course of pre-recorded content and live classes. If you don't think you'll ever be free from aches and pains, you're going to want to stay tuned to my next video announcement. I'm opening the doors to something that I've been working on. Yoga is well known for its ability to increase flexibility and reduce aches and pains. Yoga has already helped hundreds and thousands of people, and this course will help you too. It's called The Beginner's Guide to Bendability, and if you purchase the course before October 11th, you'll also get 6 weekly live classes with me and the Bendability community for free. I'll let you know the details in my next video, or you can sign up to my mailing list below so you can be notified once the doors are open. And I'll see you soon on the mat. Oh, and by the way, this isn't like a yoga class at your local yoga studio or trying a free online video. This is the exact poses and techniques that you need to get results and increase your flexibility. So stay tuned for my next announcement soon.